everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create an account on booking.com. So for that, what you need to do is open a Google browser on your PC and click open new tab. You can use any browser for this process. Once that is done, on the search bar you type in booking.com and press enter. Booking.com is an online platform where hotels and other type of accommodation make their rooms available to traveling guests from all over the globe. It is one of the world's largest travel marketplace for both established brand and entrepreneurs. This will open the official web page of Booking.com. Once you're at the web page, you need to go and click on register for creating an account. Now you can create your account by providing an email, or there are few other options like Facebook, Google, and your mobile phone as well. And there are more ways to sign in. If you click that, you can see the Apple option as well. Now you type in the email address of yours, then click on continue with email. As this process is for creating new account, you need to type in the password over here. You need to confirm the password by typing the same password as above. Click on create account. And right after that, you will be able to create an account for yourself. There's your account profile over here on top. This is a very simple way of creating an account on booking.com. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.